This video is about a corset from Corset Deal, and it is a leather corset. It's actually my first leather corset, so I'm very excited. I'm very happy because I do like PVC corsets, leather corsets, and any corset that is leather, PVC, or any other fabric that helps the corset stay cleaner. I do like them. My preference is that if I'm wearing a corset that is made of cotton or anything that can get dirty, I like to sandwich it. So I wear it. I wear always a tank top, and then I wear the corset, and then above I'll wear something else. But I enjoy the corsets that you can wear out. For example, a PVC corset, a leather corset, you can just put it on and go out, and I don't have to worry about getting it dirty when I'm out there. So that's the main reason why I like these corsets. So I'm very happy about this leather corset. I do like buying corsets from different brands. So that's kind of like something that I love doing with everything. Like if I buy shoes, I want to buy shoes from everywhere. If I buy dresses, anything, pants, anything, even jewelry, I like to buy from different, companies. And maybe that's why I'm a hoarder. So I do have a lot of stuff. I have a big closet, and it's just full of stuff. It's something that I've been trying to work on. It's hard. Being a girl, it's really hard to be a minimalist, but it's also something that has always been on my mind, just because I want to, help the planet, also help myself. I don't want to be spending so much, money on stuff. And I just feel it's never going to fill, sometimes that hole that we feel, because shopping does give you a high, but at the same time, it's never going to be the solution for everything, because then you want to buy something else, and then you're like, oh, I want this, I want that. And then at the end, it could be very bad at the end, financially. All right, so let's go back to Corset Deal. So I have bought from them before, and I do have a good experience buying from them. And like I said, I like to buy from different brands just so I can also compare the corsets, the quality. I can buy corsets at the same time, and then I'll realize that one is already getting, damaged, and the other one's still good. So that's why I like doing this. And I just feel very blessed to be able to buy corsets, because corsets can be very expensive. I just feel that it's something that I need to do, buy corsets from different brands so I can experience, the quality. I always talk about Mystic City corsets because they're my favorite. And also I have a lot of corsets from Mystic City, but I also have a lot of corsets from Orchard Corset. What I can say about that is that Mystic City corsets are very durable. They will last you a long time. Just like comparing like any corset that I have compared to Mystic City, I feel like Mystic City always wins, like always. It's crazy, the quality of Mystic City corsets is amazing. So but I think that Mystic City is for the person that wears corsets every day, and they're wearing it not just like to waist train, but tight lacing and constantly, being very hard on the corsets. If you're gonna be wearing one every day, and that's what you need a Mystic City corset. This is just my opinion. I have nothing to do with Mystic City, but it's just from what I've tried and just my comparisons. So I've been wearing corsets for about 15 years, but life can sometimes prevent you from doing things. So on and off I've been wearing them, but life can be up and down. And there was a time where I had asthma and I couldn't wear them. There was a time where I had a belly problem and I wasn't able to wear them. There was just a time that I was so busy, doing other things that I wasn't wearing corsets much. So now I'm coming back to them, and I just feel like coming back to corsets, sometimes it feels like I'm a beginner, but I'm really not. But at the same time, since my body wasn't used to wearing them, it does feel like, you have to go through it slowly. And, in my opinion, I just feel like Mystic City corsets, they're my favorite brand. Like if I choose one brand, like it will be them. Like they're my one and only. And I have nothing to do with them. It's not like we don't talk. No, there's nothing. Like this is just my personal opinion. So I'm not a beginner, but just coming back to corsets again, it sometimes feels like it because my body was not used to the compression. So I just feel like, my Mystic City corsets, sometimes they can be too rough, too strong, and it's just because the quality is amazing. You pay $90, $100 for a corset, and sometimes there's a sale because I've paid like $60 for a Mystic City corset, but you just feel like again, this is just me, what I think. You just feel like the money was well spent because that corset will last you for many years. but you know, compared to my Orchard corsets, I feel like, you know, I've always had problems with them, like the grommets, the laces. So there's always like something happening. For me, it just feels like coming back to corsets again after a few years that I haven't worn them. Like Orchard corsets are better at comfort, and also you season them so fast. But my Mystic City corsets, it takes forever for me to season them, and it's also like they're more rigid on me. Okay, so we're not talking about brands. That will be for another video. So going back to Corset Deal, I have good experience with them. I have bought for them before, and what I don't like about Corset Deal is that the corsets are not as curvy. You know, I love curvy corsets, but what I love about them is, and this is, you know, what I recommend if you're getting, you know, into corsets. Corsets are expensive. You know, there could be times that you're like, okay, I like this style or this brand, but let's say for me, like I like what Katie did, and I haven't gotten a chance to buy it yet. It's on my list to buy, but I know that it's like one of the most expensive corsets that I'll ever buy because it's like about 200. If you're getting into corsets, Corset Deal I think is one of the most affordable brands. And the only reason I bought for them just now is because I wanted a leather corset, because like I said, I like to go out with my corsets. I know a lot of people that don't like to show them off, but for me, I just feel like I'm a type of person that I'm like, I don't care what people think, you know, and I love wearing them out. I just think that corsets are so beautiful that I like to show them off, you know, and I just feel more comfortable doing that with my PVC and then, you know, leather corset, because I feel like I don't have to worry about getting it dirty out there and still, you know, be looking good with my corset. You know, I just love that part. But yeah, I don't care. I have worn corsets in public and people do look at you a little bit weird. Like, I don't know if it's the laces, you know, because there are belts that are similar to corsets, you know, like very wide. But I think what makes it like, you know, kind of like different is the laces in the back. I don't know, maybe they're just too sexy. I don't know. But yeah, so going back to Corset Deal, I do recommend this brand because they're affordable. You know, they're very affordable, and there's like so many beautiful designs, and I really like that about them. All right, so this video is gonna be about Corset Deal, about the leather corset that I bought from them, and I'm gonna try it on, and I'm also gonna tell you all the features that it has. But I'm very excited. I can't wait to try it. And yes, you know, try Corset Deal. The price, I think I don't have it here, but the price was like $90. But I got a coupon. I don't know where I got it from. I think that, oh no, okay. So when you go on the website, you know, you start looking for corsets. You know, I went for underbust corsets because those are the ones that I like wearing. And then there was like a little window that came up, like just popped on my screen and said that there was a coupon. And so it was $90 originally, but I ended up paying only $60 for the leather corset. So I was very excited. I was like, yay, you know, that's like a great deal. But one of the things that I'm a little worried about is the fact that the corset fabric, like leather fabric, sometimes, especially if it's not real leather, because I feel like leather, if it's not real leather, it tends to peel off. But I know it doesn't happen with everything, because I do have just regular belts that they're not made of leather, but they have lasted me for many, many years. So I just hope that this corset will be like that, because that's the only thing I'm worried about, that it might end up, you know, like peeling and just not looking good anymore. And you will not be able to wear that corset no more. Just to show you, the corset that I'm wearing right now is from Mystic City. I love this corset. Mystic City is my favorite brand. So yeah, I just wanted to show you. Coming back to corsets after many years of not wearing them, I do feel that they're very, very rigid and a little bit uncomfortable. The fabric is like very strong, but I feel like once my body starts to get used to more of the compression, I'll be able to wear them longer. But yes, isn't this one pretty? This is one of my favorites. I love, 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 love. This one is so curvy. I tried one of the glamorous corsets. It was similar to this one, but it was not as curvy, so I had to return it. I think it was the Gia corset, because I bought them at the same time. I bought Mystic City and Glamorous corset. It's actually like the same as a corset belt, but it's not curvy. And like, look at these little curves. Like, these little curves are just so adorable, and that's what I love about corsets. You know, the ones that are curvy, I just love those. I don't like wearing corsets that are like the shape of a tube. I don't like that, and I just enjoy the curvy corsets. You know, I like that small waist. But yeah, just wanted to show you what I'm wearing right now. So it comes with this string that it says, do not remove unless satisfied with fit. Returns will not be accepted if this tag is removed or tampered. And the tag, this is what it says, size 28. And then are the other tags. What I don't like about it is that it does not say Corset Deal, but I believe this is Corset Wholesale. So the company, it is Corset Deal, company name. But it does not have, you know, like the other corsets that I get, they usually have the company name on the tag. This one is just a barcode and instructions on how to wear a corset.